Hi garden friends, welcome to our garden. Paul is the gardener and I usually harvest and cook up the wonderful things that are growing here in our garden. And it's winter now, so we have some broccoli and cauliflower and some snap peas that I'll be harvesting today. I remembered as I was harvesting the snap peas that the grandchildren will be here in a few days, so I need to leave some here for them to harvest as well. It's always fun to let the grandkids come to the garden and harvest the vegetables. Here's the harvest from today. Quite a bit of broccoli, a little bit of cauliflower, and some snap peas. I'll be stir frying this broccoli and adding a little bit of the cauliflower for our dinner tonight. I'm making some very simple salmon patties. I bought these at Trader Joe's, and I'm also doing a very simple rice. So our dinner tonight, really easy, really quick, and it was really good. After a yummy, simple dinner, I went outside to repot a plant that's been in the house. This fern has been inside for quite a while, just wasn't looking super healthy, so I'm going to move the fern outside and see if it prefers the patio over inside. I'm hoping this beautiful fern will enjoy the weather outside. It's been rainy, so this should be a happy plant. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.